Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy. In this video we'll see how you can design and generate these payslip in this PDF format. See, all these files are PDF format which I generated from the Excel sheet. So in this video we'll see how you can do this step by step. So I'll close this. Okay, I'll minimize this. First of all, I'll just delete them, and from starting we can generate PDF from this Excel sheet. The data Excel sheet, I have taken like employee name, ID, their salaries, additions, deductions, and the total payslip I have generated like this. So I'll take a fresh sheet, and from the scratch I'll try to design this payslip, and after that we can generate it automatically into the PDF. So select the cells. I just pressed and hold on shift key and selected and clicked on merge and center, and here you can write your company name. And remember, these company name, font and color and everything, I'm just making it to center. Everything is your choice, whatever the font or whatever the color, whatever the background, it is absolutely up to your designing strategy. So I just selected these 4 columns and selected the common uniform font, and just below the company name I selected 4 cells and clicked on merge and center. So here you can write your company address. So I'm just making the cells bigger in size, and now I can select these two, company and the address, and I can give the thick outside border so that it will look good. And I also want to give the internal border, so I'll select and click all borders. So now it is looking good. And here I'll write something like employee ID, employee name. So employee name, and these are for the data, and here I'll write month and the year. Okay, and just below that designation or department, whatever according to your requirement you choose, and these are for the data. And here all the earnings, basic, HRA and other allowances, etc. And here I'll write something like deductions, EPF, VSI and tax. At bottom I'll write like something additions, and here deductions. And just below that I will write net salary, and these two I'm merging so that I can give the signature. Here I'll use top border, so at the bottom I'll write signature, and I'll merge these two also. And at the bottom I'll write signature. So at the top you can insert picture or the image. Now I'm just selecting all these and make a complete border here, thick outside border. Now it is looking good. And here also I'll keep the border, fine. And I'm selecting the internal blocks, and I'll select the border here, and I'll click on all borders so that each and every row and column gets the border. And for each data cell in the sense the employee ID, name or their salaries and everything, I'm just choosing background color so that it will look good. If you want you can do this, or even you leave it like empty. So this is fine. What I'll do is I'll just copy this and I'll paste it all over all the blocks. Just I'm using control plus V. Control plus V. So wherever the data is possible, I'm just pasting it here, the same cell. Okay, here also I'll do that. And now with basic upon the employee ID, I will take this from this sheet. So what is this data sheet? See, 404001 and until 4015. So all these employee IDs I want in this single cell as a drop down list. For to do that, I need to select this and click on the data at the top, and here there is an option called data validation. Click on this, and I want this as a list. Okay, list, and the source is from the another Excel sheet, okay, which is data Excel sheet. And these are the IDs, so I'll select from top to bottom. Okay, I'm selecting entire employee IDs. Okay, fine. Okay, click on okay. Yes, the range, this is the range from 2 to from 2 to 16. Okay, fine. Click on okay. As soon as I click on okay, there is a drop down here. See here, all the employee list I can check it in the drop down. With respect to this employee ID, I need to fetch the data and give the appropriate employee name or department or basic salary, HRA, etc. So for to do that, I need to write a simple formula which is VLOOKUP. So I'll equal to VLOOKUP. For VLOOKUP, there are four arguments, which is the reference value, the table and the column index number, and the range. First, the reference is employee ID. Click on that, which is C6 for me. Give a comma. Then from which table I need to take the data. So I'll go to data and I'll select entire table. Okay, from starting to the all the fields, I'll select from until the bottom. So everything has been selected. Okay, now I'll give a comma here. Yes, a comma. Okay, you also give a comma, and after that the third is column index number. So for example, if I want employee name, I'll give as second column. If I want department, I'll give as third. So for now, I want employee name, I'll give it as 2 and comma, and I'll give it to exact match, which is false. Okay, I'll close the parenthesis. That's it. I'll reach to this sheet, my sheet 6. See here, with respect to 4010, the name will be appearing here. The VLOOKUP function will get the data from here. So you can cross check. You can see there is 4005 and the name is exactly matching here. So my VLOOKUP function is working. So what you can do is you can just replace this. Okay, just copy this whole formula, and just you need to change the column number. For month and year, just paste it over here, paste it, and in the column number choose where is the 1 2 3 4 4 I should replace. So I need to just in the place of 2 I need to give 4 so that the data will be appearing here. See here, that's it. Likewise, fill all this basic, HRA, department, everything according to the column numbers. Okay, just paste it and just change the column number appropriately by checking the data sheet. So I'll do all that and I'll come back. Okay, I'll finish each and everything. I'll come back. Okay, yeah, you can also do the same, but make sure you give the right appropriate column number. Okay, I have finished, and the last one is the tax. Tax is 11. Okay, once you are done with this, just make sure and double check whether the data is right or not, means whether appropriate values what you have set is exactly right or not, because this is important. Just change the drop down and check the values whether all the values are representing right values. Okay, for example, I take 10th and the tax value is $356 and here it is 356. Okay, now everything is fine. In the additions, I'll use sum function. Okay, sum equal to sum, and I'll add the top 3. I'll just select 3 and close the parenthesis. That's it. It will addition, means it will add all those 3 fields and give it as the result. And here also same, equal to sum, the formula equal to sum, sum sum, and I'll select all the deductions 1 2 3 and I'll close the parenthesis. That's it. It gives the result. And the net salary comes by differentiating both, means I need to subtract here. So the same formula equal to sum, I'll take this minus this deductions and I'll close the parenthesis. Yeah, now everything, all the values have been filled. Now you can check whether it is working. Just change any employee ID and according to that all the fields should work. And you can click on insert and you can from your computer you can insert the digital sign and you can adjust the length and width and keep it over the signature. Likewise, you can keep the company logo also. Okay, on insert, if you click on picture, then my device, from the downloads I am including my company logo. Place it over there and adjust the width and size. Okay, now I'll delete this, the previously generated PDFs in the payslip. See here where my computer location, here where in this folder, particular folder, I'll generate. So in order to generate, first of all we'll check the print preview. Okay, Control plus P. Okay, this is how it is looking. So I need to change the orientation to landscape. So yeah, now this print preview is fine. Okay, now we'll make it into PDF. First of all, click on the developer option. If you don't have the developer option enabled, you need to click on the file, then click on options, then click on customize ribbon, and here if it is disabled, just enable it and say okay. And under developer option there is Visual Basic, where you can write code, insert, and then click on module to have a new module, and here you can write subroutine, sub space your function or the method name. Here auto generate PDF payslip. So I'll just open this and end the sub, and here I'll write a for loop, because for all the employee IDs I need to generate the PDF. So there are totally 15, I guess. Okay, 15 PDFs I need to generate. So the for loop will be from 2 to 16 or 2 to 15, I guess. Okay, yes, first of all I as the integer, so I need for this for loop. So yeah, next I'll write a for loop here for I equal to 2 to 15. There are totally 15 PDFs I need to generate. Let us check in the data from 2 to 16. Okay, sorry, 2 to 16. I'll correct this, 2 to 16. Okay, right. Then yes, I should get this employee ID from the sheet. So yeah, sheet 6, my current active sheet is sheet 6 dot range, and the cell which has the employee ID is this one. See here, I say when I select this, which is C6. Okay, in the quotes I give C6 and I'll close. Dot value is equal to, I should get this value from the sheet of data. My data sheet is sheet number 2. Okay, sheet 2 dot, yes, sheet 2 dot cells. I can give the row and column of the employee ID numbers. Let us check where is the row and column of the employee ID numbers in the data sheet. See, I gave something like, see here on the data sheet, see 2, 3, 4, 5 until 16, and the column is fixed. The column is A only, but the rows are changing. That's why I kept I as the row index and A as the fixed column index. So I iterate, so all the employee IDs I will get. And to print this as the PDF, I just write this sheet 6 dot export as fixed format, and I want the format as Excel PDF. Then here comma, and I need to give the path where I need to save this PDFs. So what I'll do is I'll copy the path from my computer. So here I need to copy and paste it over there. So here where my PDF should be saved, and I'll give the ampersand or the end, and the file name is same. The employee ID should be my file name. So sheet 6 dot range C6, which is my employee ID. I'll close this dot value. Yeah, fine. And I need to give the dot PDF as the extension for the file. That's it. Now I'll close the for loop. Next, no need to save anything. Just run this macro on the sheet. Click on the macro and click on the run here, and open this folder on your computer. See whether there is PDF. Oh, something went wrong, I guess. PDFs are not generating. I need to click on the macro and click on edit. Where is the error where I had mistaken? Yes. Okay, the path. See, the path I need to give extra slash here, the perfect path. So now I'll try to execute. Yeah. Click on run here. Yes, now it is working. Yes, see here. The PDFs are getting generated automatically. Whatever the list size may be, it will be generated. Just you need to change the numbers in the for loop. I'll just open this. So this is how you can generate automated pay slips in Excel. If you like this tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.